Hi dear students, I welcome you all to learn poem. Dear children, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel because your subscription is my encouragement. Today, let's learn poem from your 6th standard English book, Unit 3, I Dream of Spices. Let me read the poem for you children. My mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. And back home, Mother twists my ears, ouch. Written by Raj Arumugam. Dear children, the poet of this poem, Mr. Raj Arumugam, is a teacher, writer and businessman. He was born in 1955 in India and moved to Singapore just before he turned 6 in the year 1961. And he lived in Singapore till 1997 and he moved permanently to Australia in the early 1998. He has experience in various fields like management, business education and training. He has been thinking in the language of poetry and scribbling words from his early age or days itself. He has written many books, for example, Arcad's Gold, Alexander, Son of Olympias, Faces of the Divine, The Golden Buddha, Please, O God of Humor, Whispers from the Forest, etc. Children, have you ever helped your mother buying something from nearby shop? And can you just recollect what was your experience as a small child? Mostly, small children walk all the way to the shop reciting the things or items to be bought. But sometimes, we forget to buy the list or we forget one or two things from the list in spite of the long recitation. Or we buy some other product. For example, when mom says to buy coriander leaves, we buy mint leaves. And sometimes children buy everything correctly but forget to collect the balance amount or drop the balance coins on the way while returning home. Or sometimes finish the balance money by buying some candies, chips or toys they like. I suppose you would have experienced at least any one of these and got a reminder from your mom too. Isn't it children? Yes. Today we are learning a poet's experience on shopping for his mom as a poem. I Dream of Spices. This is a simple and interesting poem. The poet has used simple words and a free style or verse just to communicate the innocent child's shopping experience. Let's go with stanza number 1. My mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. This stanza reveals that one day the poet Raj's mother called him and asked the little boy to go to Muthu's shop and buy some cinnamon, means pattai or lavanga pattai, which is actually the bark of a Cinnamomum verum trees grown specially in Sri Lanka and in Indonesia. This cinnamon adds flavor, a delicious flavor to food. Number 2, betel leaves means vetrilai It's grown as a cash crop in many states of India like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and few more states. Actually, it is good for health, and we would have seen it is given in almost all the festivals and functions after the meal. Number 3, ginger. Number 4, garlic. Ginger means inji, garlic pundu. Ginger and garlic are equally good for health. They increase immunity level and prevent many sickness. Moms use these in our daily food. Children, what comes to our mind when we hear ginger, garlic, cinnamon? Yes, it's biryani. Yes, these spices are added mostly in biryani to add taste and flavor to our food. Okay, let's now move on to stanza number 2. And so I go to the shops singing all the way, and when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Here in this stanza, the poet writes that Raj went to the shop singing all the way. That means he was reciting the list of things that his mom asked to buy until he reached the shop. But when the shopkeeper, Mr. Muthu, asked him what the little boy wanted, the little boy recited a different list. Sesame seeds, yellow. Onions, vengayam. Tomatoes, takali. And pickles, urugai. He bought everything differently. Let's read the last 2 lines. And back home, mother twisted my ears, ouch. Mom told Raj to buy the spices named cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. But the little Raj forgot completely the list of things his mom asked him to buy. And he bought all the 4 different things like few vegetables and other spicy items. And he happily came home with a basket full of onions, tomatoes, sesame seeds and pickles. When his mom found that he bought everything differently, she twisted his ears lovingly. And Raj shouted with pain, ouch! Thus, the shopping experience of a little boy comes to an end. So, dear children, shall we summarize the poem in few words? Well, I Dream of Spices is a simple and interesting poem written in 3 words. One day, Raj's mom asked him to buy the spices, cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. But Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles from the shop. On his return, he got a loving twist on his ears as a reminder. Dear children, hereafter when you go for shopping, make sure to buy the things asked by your mom so that you can avoid the loving twist and the ouch. Dear students, read the poem repeatedly. Study well. Happy learning. Thank you.